Hi, this is the Huawei Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the gallery application. So here we got some videos, so let's just take a photo. Let's go back to the gallery, select for example this photo to hide it, tap on the right down corner to more icon, click to hide. To hide this item, tap to OK, but first you read that to view hidden items, you should go to the Albums tab, touch more icon on the right upper corner and touch hidden items, so OK. Let's switch photos to Albums, tap to these four dots to more icon, click hidden items and you will find all of your hidden photos or pictures. Just to unhide them, select the photo, click to unhide and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.